This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels. Loosen the relevant rear wheel lug nuts. Then jack up the rear of the car. Place jack stands under the frame and secure the car on the jack stands. Remove all lug nuts. Then remove the appropriate wheel. Using a socket, loosen the shock absorber upper mounting nut while holding the shock to keep it from turning. Remove the upper nut, retainer, and bushing. Remove the shock absorber lower nut and mounting bolt. Then lift the shock out. Install the bushing and retainer on the new shock absorber. Install the new shock absorber into position, lining up the bolt holes for the lower mounting point. Install the nut and bolt in the shock absorber lower mount. Tighten the nut to the specified torque. Install the upper bushing, retainer, and mounting nut, noting the position of the stepped part of the bushing. Tighten the nut using a counter hold, as shown, to keep the shock from spinning while you tighten it. Grasp the shock absorber close to the top to avoid crushing the tube. Tighten the nut to the specified torque. Repeat the process for the shock on the other side. When complete, reinstall both wheels. Then you may lower the vehicle to the ground.